Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ringless voicemail with Podium for listing promotion, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable ringless voicemail with Podium for listing promotion, start by logging into your Podium account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options for customer engagement. Locate the voicemail feature in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the voicemail option to access the settings. Before proceeding, ensure that your phone number is verified. If your number isn't verified, follow the prompts to confirm it. Once verified, select the option to create a new voicemail campaign. Enter a descriptive name for your voicemail campaign to make it easily identifiable. Next, you'll need to record your voicemail message. Choose the option to record a message directly or upload a pre-recorded file. Keep your message concise and professional, focusing on key information about your listing. After recording, review the message to ensure clarity and quality. Once satisfied, save the voicemail recording. Now, move on to selecting your target audience. Import a list of contacts or manually add numbers you wish to reach. Confirm that the contacts are opted in to receive messages to comply with regulations. Next, specify the time you want the voicemails to be delivered. Select an optimal time when your audience is most likely to engage. With all the settings configured, you can proceed to launch the campaign. Review all the details one final time to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Launch Campaign button to initiate the ringless voicemail delivery. Monitor the campaign's performance through the Analytics section. Keep track of metrics such as delivery rates and response rates. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data for future campaigns. By following these steps, you can effectively use Podium to enhance your listing promotion through Ringless. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.